That looks so yummy.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some of this afterward. Tastes bad. Tastes toxic.
We never heard from DJ again. We're taking a break from the Corolla today, and we're working on a long-awaited item that we've had chilling in the shop for quite some time with tires on them, and they sat here for so long that this one deflated. But tell them why it did deflate.
Well, some people probably don't even know I got these wheels, but
Boom.
these are SSR Vienna Kreis. These are 19 by 11. Don't know the offset, but it's got a huge lip on it, so I don't really care. And then fronts are 9.5, 19 by 9.5 plus like 28 or something like that. They're 3-piece wheels, which means they have a lip, a barrel, and a face. They seal together. Anyway, one of the 4 that I have doesn't hold air because that seal is bad.
So a lot of people have been asking, like, why aren't the Viennas on DJ's Lexus yet? So the reason that they're not on the car is because the seal is bad. That's what we're gonna do today.
So the smart thing to do is to send your wheel off to somebody and have them reseal it for you. The cheap thing to do is to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy some silicone sealant and rebuild them yourself.
Yourself,
yeah. Or have Caleb do it. We have no idea what we're doing, but I watched a video on how to do it, so technically
we do know what
I'm
we're
a
doing.
genius. Also, I have a small suspicion that it's just the valve stem, but I'm gonna replace that too, so it's whatever.
What's the star pattern in these bad boys when you go back on?
Probably.
Trying to keep track of that star pattern. God, dude. This is the last fucking one. It's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Have a breaker bar.
Uh-oh. Alright, this guy's being a little bitch, so... Oh wait, which one is it? Yeah, this one. Being a little bitch. Kind of rounded already, so we're gonna squirt some stuff on it real quick. Pull all these off, and then hopefully the squirt will loosen it up a little bit and let us get it off.
This don't got a motherfucker on it, you know? So I just been going. Kind of works. Damn, she coming hard, bro. She said, hey.
There's one more. There he is. The guy that's been soaking in his tub of PB blaster.
A little PB tub, little PP baby.
PP tub baby.
Behave after. Please come.
Oh, come on. Nope.
I don't want that to be happening.
No one does.
You're gonna need to hammer on a 9mm.
Man, it's crazy how smooth everything always goes for us.
Yeah.
All the way
Amazing.
down to the last fucking one.
Well, it's only the last one because we left it for last.
No, it was literally, I had every single other one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like popped
I
off.
remember those good old times.
Mm-hmm.
I remember those days.
So long ago. Was that this bolt or
Is it
the
good or bad?
No,
sled?
that was bad.
Fuck, man.
Yep.
Ooh, we got it.
Yeah, let's hope.
Yeah, we as a team.
Ta-da.
Tita. A tita dee da do da. Now the fun part, getting this apart.
Yeah, how did we do that?
You just do it.
Look at this perfectly good seal we're ruining. Alright, so the plan is to mount it on this and then whack the barrel off.
Yeah, I saw some guy, he took a chunk of wood and went bang and separated some shit.
Seems like it.
See, yeah, it is starting to separate.
So this is the issue with this hammer.
Oh, we know.
Yeah, it flopped off on me a couple times.
Yeah, it just goes like this.
Sometimes when you're asleep, I flop off on you.
Hey!
And that's why we whack off the backside.
Whack off the back off.
Mm-hmm.
Good thing I was not
Now can we
filming that.
separate
Whoa,
these
you
two
weren't?
pieces?
I was filming you.
Oh. This gently glided to the ground.
Yeah. Do we even need to do that?
What?
Do we need to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's got to reseal inside
Everything.
all that
Oh.
Yeah. God damn! Skip.
Alright.
Bro, that's sick, dog. That's like Need for Speed Underground 2 over here. 369, damn, she fine. Damn, Quint.
Oh
that shit's sick, dog. Bro, that's gotta be the thumbnail.
This video's got plenty of choppy chops.
Dude, people love that.
Yeah.
I fucking love watching that. I don't know why.
Give the people what they want.
Yeah, bro.
Just bang that a couple more times.
Come on, get out of there.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
How many nuts does this thing take?
About 100.
Sure, you gotta take the face off.
All right, well, we can't. We're
stupid.
We don't. We just can't. So I'm gonna order a valve stem.
It's hilarious that we thought we could do anything.
That's a fair point. Every single video should end with that. Just gonna leave this on the. I put something heavy on here to, I don't know, maybe over time it'll just help. I don't know. Figure order the valve stems and we can fuck around with this until the valve stems show up. Whether or not we have this done by then, we'll just reseal everything we have and see how it goes.
Alright, today is the second part of the wheel rebuild video where we don't rebuild the entire wheel, we only rebuild half of it.
Yeah, that shit's just fucking stuck on there. And the way that the wheel is like assembled, there's like 2 other points that air would have to get past that seal anyway, so we just kind of decided, fuck it. We think it was the valve stem the whole time anyway, so I just gotta figure out how to work this machine.
Don't point it at yourself.
Pretty simple.
Right. Snippy?
Gotta snip the nippy. That looks like when you're a little kid and your dick's all tiny. I also had to get a new nut for that one nut that was a bitch to go off. Just gonna go. And then put some screws in there.
Then we can finally put them on after.
I know, I'm fucking. How come nothing ever works? Nothing ever goes right. It's crazy. Lunch boys always talking about circum stuff. This is a real circumcision you're about to witness right here. Nice. Also, I'm pretty sure this is not what you want to use. So that's cool. It says gap filling, paintable, incredible durability in all weather, instant grab, 0 seconds, works underwater.
Probably works.
Says molding, wood, flooring, marble, masonry, granite, wet surface, caulking, deck, drywall, tub and shower, metal.
There we go. I was waiting for that.
Subboard, mirror, landscaping, trim paneling, foam board, stone, laminate, ceramic, brick, tile, aluminum, concrete, fiberglass, painted surface, plastic, with asterisks on there, and more.
To all those 3-piece purists out there, do I have to do this to my rotogrids? It looks yummy.
It does look pretty good. It reminds me of the stuff that you put on toaster strudels.
Yeah. That shit goes hard.
My hand's tired.
I hit it?
This is probably awful.
Probably.
This is probably like the worst thing we could do, but I don't know.
Did you watch like a video?
I watched a video.
What did they use?
Same thing, but they also didn't really know what they're doing. Amazing. The whole one. Ooh, there we go.
That was loud as fuck.
Yeah, it was.
Holy shit. We snapped into place. Alright, things were looking hairy there for a moment, but then we heard the snap of pleasure.
Yeah, so I don't know how well or if at all we explained it to the camera. The barrel wasn't really lining up with the lip, like it wasn't sealing. There was a bit of a gap, but as we tightened everything down, we'll probably put in that clip where it's loud as fuck, we just went bing, and all just kind of came together. So now we have everything, all the hardware in, just as hard as this little thing would go. This isn't super powerful, so just it's basically about hand tight. And then we're gonna seal this. We'll probably put it over on the tire machine and spin it and just run a bead over here and just make it real smooth and make sure we're not gonna have any leaking through there. And then come back tomorrow and really tighten everything down. Like anytime you're using like RTV or silicone like as a seal or a gasket, you wanna let it set and get tacky and then tighten everything down, or else it'll just spill everything out and not really create a good seal. So we're gonna do that, and hopefully Caleb can teach us how to mount a tire on this thing. We'll get it on my car eventually. Turns out the tire machine doesn't rotate like I thought it did. We have a Quinton.
That we do.
Beautiful. ASMR skids.
That looks so yummy.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some of this afterward. This is actually dinner tonight. You didn't know I was cooking, did you?
No cooking.
You know I'm cooking? Yeah, but do. Tell me to do things. I done running. Yeah. That looks like that'll hold air. Yes, me. If I was air, I'd have a hard time getting in there. For having no idea what I'm doing, I feel like this is gonna work. The wheels back together. Whatever, we had a fun little adventure tearing apart a wheel. I've never owned, I don't think either of us have ever owned 3-piece wheels before.
Nope. And we'll find out if we did a good job or not.
I don't know, that was pretty satisfying.
That was pretty satisfying.
You know what's a really satisfying end to this video is I'm gonna lick this. But
You are?
oh fuck yeah, dude.
Let me smell it.
Yeah. It smells like citrusy almost. It smells like a lemon buttercream.
I was about to say lemon meringue.
Oh yeah. Yeah, excited to have this thing back together, even though it's not 100% yet. It will be like tomorrow or the next day. Shout out to Mike for selling me these wheels, give me a good deal on them. I'm hyped to get them on the car soon. And shout out to the Patreons, all our regular viewers, our subscribers. We love you. Check out our merch in the description. Damn, I'm sideways right now. Tastes bad. Tastes toxic.
We never heard from DJ again.
Oh, it's like, it's so bitter it hurts. It's the kind of, it's like spicy. But I think that might just be my tongue dying.
Wait, let me get some if it's spicy.
Bro, should I do it? I'm afraid to drop in.
Just do it.
Damn. Clean run.
I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yay, yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo